Credit cards are powerful financial tools, but one of the most controversial aspects of credit cards is the annual fee. These fees are often debated, misunderstood, and sometimes completely avoided without a thorough understanding of their value. This discussion breaks down the logic behind annual fees, analyzes when they're worth it, and explains how to make smart, informed decisions about them. To start, what exactly is an annual fee? An annual fee is a recurring charge imposed by a credit card issuer for the privilege of using a particular credit card. These charges are typically associated with cards that offer significant perks, including rewards programs, travel benefits, insurance coverage, and premium services. Why do some cards charge annual fees while others don't? The answer lies in the value they offer. Premium credit cards, business credit cards, and high-tier travel credit cards tend to have higher annual fees because they provide access to services like airport lounge access, global entry reimbursement, elite hotel status, concierge services, and comprehensive purchase protection. These extras are expensive for banks to offer, and the annual fee helps offset their cost. Many people automatically dismiss cards with annual fees, but dismissing them without proper analysis could mean missing out on better rewards, higher cashback rates, and greater long-term value. Whether or not an annual fee is worth paying comes down to one crucial question. Are you receiving more value from the card than the amount you're repaying? Evaluating this starts with understanding your spending habits. If you're someone who regularly uses a credit card for groceries, gas, dining, and travel, a premium card with category bonuses can offer significant rewards. Cards with high cashback or points-earning potential often justify their annual fees through rewards alone, particularly if you use them strategically. Another major consideration is the sign-up bonus. Many credit cards offer lucrative welcome bonuses that alone can offset the cost of the annual fee for the first year. For instance, a card with a $95 annual fee might offer a $300 cashback bonus after meeting a spending threshold that is a net gain of over $200. Cards with higher annual fees, often $450 or more, can offer bonuses worth $500, $750, or even over $1,000 in travel redemptions when used properly. But bonuses aren't the only factor. Ongoing card benefits can provide immense value. Consider travel insurance, extended warranty protection, purchase protection, trip delay reimbursement, and baggage insurance. If you're someone who shops online or travels frequently, these built-in protections can save you hundreds of dollars annually. The ability to earn bonus points on categories such as groceries, dining, airfare, and streaming services means the right credit card can complement your lifestyle and financial goals. Some cards even allow point transfers to travel partners, unlocking incredible value on business class or international flights. When evaluating whether a fee is worth it, look beyond just the rewards rate. Consider things like travel perks, TSA pre-check, global entry, hotel upgrades, priority boarding, and free checked bags. Frequent travelers often find that these benefits not only justify the fee, but also create a smoother, more luxurious experience. Some cards offer statement credits for travel purchases, ride-sharing, food delivery, and even streaming services. These credits effectively reduce the out-of-pocket cost of the fee, sometimes eliminating it entirely when benefits are used properly. No annual fee cards certainly have their place. They're excellent for individuals building credit, those with minimal spending, or people who prefer simplicity. But they often lack the robust benefits of premium cards. Choosing between a no annual fee card and a card with a fee should come down to the value you extract, not just what you pay. Low annual fee cards offer a middle ground. These might charge $49 to $99 per year and offer modest perks like decent rewards on everyday categories, no foreign transaction fees, or basic travel insurance. For the average spender, These cards often present a great balance between cost and utility. Let's not overlook the role of credit unions and smaller banks. These institutions often offer cards with competitive benefits and lower annual fees. They may not have flashy marketing, but their products can rival or even outperform major issuers, especially when it comes to low interest rates and personalized service. Financial strategy should be at the core of your decision. Are you using your card strategically? Are you maximizing category bonuses, redeeming points efficiently, and taking full advantage of benefits? Simply holding a premium card doesn't create value. You have to extract it. It's also important to regularly review your card's benefits. Issuers occasionally change reward structures, perks, and terms. What made sense 2 years ago may no longer be the best option for you. Reassess annually to determine if your card still aligns with your financial behavior. Some common mistakes people make with annual fees include forgetting to cancel a card before the annual fee posts, failing to use available credits, or not understanding how to activate and claim benefits like trip protection or lounge access. Avoiding these missteps helps ensure you actually benefit from what you're paying for. Let's look at a few real-life scenarios. A frequent traveler who flies 5 times a year, checks bags, and values lounge access may find that a $550 card actually saves them $800 a year. Conversely, someone who doesn't fly often might waste hundreds annually on a card they barely use. A small business owner may use a premium business credit card with a $95 annual fee to earn 3x points on advertising and 5x on office supplies. That card might generate thousands of dollars in value over time, easily justifying its fee. Then there's the occasional user. If you only spend $200, $300 per month on a card, even a $95 annual fee might not be worth it. You'd need extremely high rewards rates or very valuable perks to break even. Long-term, it's also critical to consider the impact on your credit score. Cards with high annual fees may encourage retention because of the benefits they offer, which in turn supports a longer average account age. Responsible use builds your credit history and can lead to better loan and mortgage rates in the future. Another aspect is how rewards are redeemed. Are you redeeming points for maximum value, like flights, hotel stays, or partner transfers, or are you cashing them out for low-value gift cards? Understanding redemption strategy is key to making an annual fee worthwhile. Additionally, look at partner programs. Cards linked to airline and hotel programs often come with built-in loyalty perks such as priority check-in, upgrades, free nights, or elite status, all of which can deliver hundreds in yearly value. As payment technology evolves, more cards are also offering exclusive digital perks like discounts on streaming platforms, mobile insurance, or advanced fraud protection. These features, while subtle, add convenience and peace of mind. The future of credit card fees is changing. More issuers are offering tiered membership benefits, allowing users to upgrade or downgrade based on lifestyle needs. We're also seeing more customization, where users can choose their bonus categories or apply earned credits to specific services. This flexibility is reshaping the annual fee landscape. Understanding all of these elements, how rewards programs work, how to earn bonus points, how to maximize credit card rewards, and how to navigate the fine print, gives you the power to make informed, financially sound decisions. Ultimately, the annual fee is neither inherently good nor bad. It's a price tag. Whether or not it's worth paying depends on what you get in return and how well you use it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on personal finance. Your support helps us create more valuable resources for you.